Hey, so a couple of weeks ago, I shared with you one of the ways that I took notes in nursing school. I got a lot of comments on that video as well as a lot of emails sent to me, and I thought it was pretty interesting that a lot of people don't know the different methods that you can use to take notes. So in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you the second way that I took notes in nursing school. And the second way that I took notes was using the Cornell method of note-taking. I really enjoyed taking my notes using the Cornell method because it already was formatted in the way that I studied in nursing school, which was by asking myself questions and also lecturing to myself. The beauty of Cornell notes is that they will save you a lot of time because not only are you able to write down all of the information that is being said in class or as you are reading, but you can then pull out questions from that information that will later help you study. And then the summary of it also helps you connect things together, kind of in the same way that you saw me do in my concept map video. In fact, I used the concept of Cornell note-taking and I applied it to concept maps because that's just what worked for me. But today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take Cornell style notes. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab a lined piece of paper and you're going to want to divide it into 3 sections like this. At the top of the page, you're of course going to put today's date and the topic that's being discussed in lecture. The middle section, which is the biggest section, is where you're going to start writing down everything that you feel is important from lecture and from your reading. After lecture, or after you've completed your reading, you're going to use the left-hand side to pull out key ideas, definitions, and questions that you create based on the information that's in the middle section. Once you've done that, at the bottom of the page, you're going to summarize what that topic is about. And here's a little tip to help you learn how to summarize information. Ask yourself this question: how would I explain this particular topic to a 5-year-old who's never heard of this topic before? You want to put it in your own words and you want to summarize it as simply as possible. If you can't explain something simply, then you don't fully understand it. Well, I hope that you found this note-taking tip video helpful. And if you want more information like this, you want a step-by-step format for you to pass college, or how I like to call it, rock at college,